So let's start. So today I'm going to teach everybody of you that how human as a species evolved. I mean, evolution is a long process and it is a process, I would say. So how this process has been going and how the human as a species has evolved, how they started using things and how the civilizations are made. We are going to teach you, I'm going to teach you all these things. So let's start. And first we need to know what is Paleolithic age. I mean, we have classified periods into ages. Like there are three kinds of stone ages: old stone age, which is known as Paleolithic age; middle stone age, which is known as Neolithic age. Mesolithic age, and the third one is our new stone age, and it is known as Neolithic age. So Paleolithic age means old stone age, middle stone age means Mesolithic age, and new stone age means Neolithic age. And we are also going to discuss about after the afterlife of discovery of copper, after the discovery of copper. So these are the things which are going to discuss today in this video. So let's start. The first one is Paleolithic age. I mean, it is the earliest age in the history of Earth, and people says that before this age there were no histories written and there were no evidence of history. So the first ages, it's not that the before Paleolithic the age the Earth hasn't existed, but it's just that there are evidences which we are started to know about has started from becoming Paleolithic age. So this is how it all started. And so let's start. The first age is Paleolithic age. It's called as the old stone age. I mean, at that point of time the discovery of stones has started, and people started to know that how can we use stones as a tool. I mean, whether it is for hunting and sharpening these, and we can hunt through it. So these are the things which all has started in the Paleolithic age. So let's start. It is the earliest phase of human civilization. Homo sapiens, the scientific name of humans is Homo sapiens. Okay, so Homo sapiens appears towards the end of this period. So in the end of this period, the humans are started to come into the picture as a species. Before that, humans was apes, I would say apes. But after that age, people, I would not say peoples, but Homo sapiens, humans have started to evolve, have started to grow, started to know that what are stones and how can we use it. So these are the things which all has started to grow in this age. And there are three ages in the whole Paleolithic age: the lower Paleolithic age, the upper Paleolithic age, and the middle Paleolithic age. So let's discuss all these three things one by one. So the first one is, and one more thing, the hunting and gathering has started in this age. So it's a very important point, so please note it down. Okay, I'll give you the PDF of this whole from my notes. Okay, I'll give you the link of this whole thing in my description box, so you can check it out. And so the first thing is lower Paleolithic age. At that point of time, use of crude stone tools. Crude stone tools are bigger stone tools. I'm separating two types of stone evolutions. I mean, one is using stones as a tool, and second is using stones as an artistic precise way. So in Paleolithic age, there were no artistry has happened when it comes to if I talk about using stones as a tool. So it has just, in the Paleolithic age, it has only used for as a hunting tools, not as an artistic tool or anything like that. No, it was only used for hunting and gathering animals, killing animals, hunting. I've already told you. So these are all started in the lower Paleolithic age. And if I use of crude stone tools, okay, And second thing is middle Paleolithic age. So improved tools made to flakes. In the middle Paleolithic age, people started to modify tools, stone tools. Even until that point of time, it has not started to use as a artistic tool. I mean, as a rosary, as a anything, as a you'll see as a ring. All these things hasn't started, but just the modification of it as a better tools. I mean, first they started just killing it with a stone. After that, they started killing it with a sharp tool. So that type of modification has started to happen at that point of time. So they only started. I mean, it's like that कि पहले हमने पत्थर से मारा, उसके बाद हम उसको एक्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, लेकिन अभी भी कुछ भी ऐसा आर्टिस्टिक टूल नहीं हुआ है. नथिंग ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग उसको माला की तरह, रिंग की तरह इस तरीके से यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट लोग उसको उस टाइम पे बस एक मारने के टूल की तरह इस्तेमाल करते थे, हंटिंग के टूल की तरह, और उसी हंटिंग के टूल्स में एवोल्यूशन आता गया, मॉडिफिकेशन आता गया. सो दैट्स हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड. सो प्लीज़ डोंट एसोसिएट इट विद अ artistic manner. So this is how it all started. And in the middle Paleolithic age, people started to improve their hunting tools, and in the upper Paleolithic age, some more modification has happened, and those tools has become advanced stone tools. So in the lower Paleolithic age, use of stone started. In the upper Paleolithic age, some more modification has happened, and in the upper Paleolithic age, some advanced modification has happened. So it's just the matter of time. Time by time, it all started to grow, started to modify things, and that's how it all started. After that, we will jump on to Mesolithic age, which is known as Middle Stone Age. Okay, so it is also known as the transition period between Old Stone Age and New Stone Age. So it is known as the Middle Stone Age, which is Mesolithic age. So we can use it as a transition period of Old Stone Age. We can use it as a transition period of Old Stone Age and New Stone Age. Okay, so microliths, small stone tools were developed. So now it all started that small stone tools were started to made in this period, that the artistry has started, everything has started to come into greater picture, into the mainstream. So that's how it all going on. It all was going on. So people started to make some small artistic tools, like making rosary out of stones. Making rosary out of stones is a good example of it. So one more important thing, the domestication of animals has started at that point of time. People started not only for hunting animals, but they started to make animals pet as well. So this is what also it is. And one more thing, the cave paintings has started. As I've told you, that making artistic use of stones has started in the Mesolithic age. So they started making cave paintings. So we need to remember that where the cave paintings has started. So it is in Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. So it's important with the exam perspective. If anybody asks you that when the cave painting has started, so the answer will be Mesolithic age. And where? Then the answer will be Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, which is present in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So the third one is Neolithic age, New Stone Age. Okay. So we'll discuss this. Neolithic age, which is known as New Stone Age. So at that point of time, agriculture has started, permanent settlements has started. Permanent settlements means before this period, before New Stone Age, there were no fixed place of peoples. I mean, they are not started to civilize themselves. They But after that, people started to make a particular civilization and be themselves. I mean, be with peoples, with group of peoples, Before that period, there were no groups, there were no civilization. Nothing was in a civilized manner at that point of time. There were no concept of groups or friends, families, no, nothing. They just hunt. It was all survival perspective. But after that point of time, people started to settle themselves. The settlement has started in the Neolithic age. If someone asks you when the settlements and civilization and started to come into picture, so the answer will be Neolithic age, which is the new Stone Age. Okay, so this is what it is. And agriculture, when the agriculture has started, agriculture is also started in the Neolithic age. Okay, so yeah, polished stone tools and pottery, not poetry. Poetry is a poem writing, so not that. But pottery means making utensils out of clay. These are the things which are started to grow in that age, in the Neolithic age. Polished stones, they started to polish stones, to make them shine and to make them more to give more artistic look to that. They started polishing stones. I've already told you the use of rosary, and the use of jewelry has started out of stones. So these are the things which I started at that point of time, and they started to shine that as well. I mean, they started to know that how to give artistic look to something, to a stone. So yeah, these are the things which also started to came into greater picture as well. Okay, so in the Neolithic age, discovery of fire also started. Very important, note it down. When the discovery of fire has been happened, so it has been happened in the Neolithic age. So it's important to know with this exam perspective. Please note that down. Okay. Yes. So animal has invention of wheel. Invention of wheel is also a very important aspect of our civilization, human as a species, because wheel is something which started to give mobilization to people. I mean, they started to go from one place to another. So it's a very important thing. Globalization happened because of wheel. Globalization, if anybody knows, then write it into the comment. Otherwise, I'll tell you. Globalization means going from one place to another, making civilizations, and teaching our tradition to someone tradition, our tradition to someone, and learning someone's tradition to ourselves. All these can happen only because of the globalization and mobilization of people. So that's why everybody says that if you can't mobilize yourself, your life would be stuck at one place. And those who can't travel is read only one book, on only one page of the book. So the whole book is if we see life as a book, then it is very important that we need to learn all the pages. So I haven't remembered the quote, but I think it was the quote that the one who can't travel only read. Let me just remember. If life is a book, then those who don't travel read only one page of it. Yes, exactly. This is what the quote was. Actually, I've just forgot these things because it happens. It happens sometimes. Okay, so traveling and mobilization, globalization, these happened only because of the wheels. Only because the wheels has come into the picture. So that's how it all started. Okay. So let's come to Chalcolithic age. Chalcolithic age is Copper Stone Age. So people were using stones already, but after the discovery of copper, that has happened in the Chalcolithic age itself. So they started to use copper as well. So due to copper, the barter system has been has no more became the system of exchange. The system of exchange, the currencies has started to come into the mainstream and started to come into the picture. So they started to make copper coins as a system of exchange. So that's how it all started in the Chalcolithic age, which is also known as Copper Stone Age. So use of copper along with stone tools. Yeah, I've already told you that they were already using the stone tools, but along with that, in the Chalcolithic age, they started to using copper as well. And agriculture has been more, I would say, more modified in that age, in the Chalcolithic age. I've already taught you that, the agriculture has started in the Neolithic age, but the more modified version of it has came in the Chalcolithic age. Okay. And animal husbandry has also started. Animal husbandry has also started at that point of time. I mean, people started to use pets as a animal husbandry. They are not only just hunting and eating animals, they were also hunting them as well. Okay. So worshipping mother goddess and sacred bulls. Bulls, yes. So the concept of worshipping gods has also started in this age, because as I've already told you, that because of the artistic brilliance has started to come into picture due to discovery of stones, and in the Neolithic as well, in the Neolithic ages as well. So they started to making statue out of stones, because as I've already told you, that artistic brilliance has started, artistic precision has started. So they started to make woe as well. I mean, statues as well. So that's how the concept of goddess, mother goddess, sacred bulls, it was all has started in this age, which is known as Chalcolithic age. Okay. So in the next video, we'll discuss Indus Valley civilization, which is the first civilization that humans has made. We'll discuss all these in the next day, and so stay tuned, and all the best.